Let's set up Zoom's advanced chat features just by following these guided steps. Step 1. Locating your chat settings. Using your web browser, enter zoom.us into the address bar. Once the Zoom homepage has loaded, log into your account by clicking on Sign In here. Log into your account using your chosen credentials. After logging into your account, click on Settings under the Personal Account menu located on the left side of your screen here. Under the Meetings tab, which is selected by default, click on the In-Meeting Basic section link here. Look down the list to find the title Chat. Can you see it? Great. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Set up advanced chat settings. If your chat feature is not already active, toggle it on by clicking on the switch to the right here. Directly underneath is an option that will prevent participants from saving a chat from any meeting. To enable this option, place a check mark in the box and click on the Save button that will appear. The next chat setting is called Private Chat. This allows participants within a meeting to send messages to one another exclusively without the other attendees or even the host seeing their messages. Once again, to enable this feature, toggle the switch on the right here. If you would like to automatically save all messages from a meeting chat, the Auto Saving Chat option is definitely one you will want to turn on. Toggle the switch on here. Please note, you will not be able to turn on this option if you have enabled Prevent Participants from Saving Chat. Changes are automatically saved, and a small notification box should briefly appear on your screen telling you this. You have now set up your more advanced chat settings. It's now time to learn how to use the chat during meetings. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Step 3. Using the advanced chat in a meeting. During an active Zoom meeting, the chat window can be displayed by clicking on the Chat button here. In the window that appears, messages can be typed within this section here. Just above is a button that shows to whom the message will be sent. If you want to use the private chat option you enabled in your account settings earlier, click on it here. From the drop-down list, select the person you would like to chat with privately. After choosing who you would like to send your message to and typing it out, press Enter on your keyboard to publish it. Well done! Now you are a Zoom Chat Pro. We invite you to put your chat skills to the test with any comments you may have about this video below. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow video tutorials. Thanks for watching.